the summer of 1944, the 15th Scottish Division of the British Army was advancing towards the lower Seine in Normandy, France. The division had already played a critical role in the D-Day landings, and now they were tasked with pushing deeper into enemy territory. As they advanced, the 15th Division encountered fierce resistance from the German army. The fighting was intense, with both sides taking heavy casualties, but despite the brutal nature of the conflict, the Scots remained determined to push forward. One incident that stands out from this period occurred as the 15th Division was approaching the town of Caumont. As they approached the town, they came under heavy fire from German artillery. The Scots took cover in a nearby orchard, but they were unable to advance any further. The situation was critical. The Germans had them pinned down, and it seemed like they would be unable to make any progress. But then, a young officer named David Hume stepped forward with a bold plan. Hume, who was just 21 years old, decided to take a small group of soldiers and attack the German position directly. It was a risky move, but Hume was confident that it was their only chance of success. Under cover of smoke and suppressing fire, Hume led his men forward. They charged towards the German position, firing as they went. The Germans were taken by surprise, and before they could react, the Scots were upon them. The fighting was brutal, with hand-to-hand combat taking place amid the smoke and confusion. But despite the odds, Hume and his men managed to break through the German lines. The success of Hume's attack was a turning point in the battle. With the Germans in disarray, the 15th Division was able to push forward and eventually capture Caumont. Hume's bravery and quick thinking had saved countless lives and helped to secure a critical victory for the Allies. His actions were just one example of the courage and determination that defined the 15th Scottish Division's advance towards the lower Seine during World War II.